Today is a grandfather's day, so I'm gonna drive Adela to school and Cassie. Here, Pocahontas, the two Pocahontas here are gonna go to school. Okay, all right, Pocahontas, you go. Let's go, Pocahontas. Let's go. Okay, that is fixing the car seat here because Adela gonna sit here. The Pocahontas gonna sit here. Princess Pocahontas here. Here the princess. Wow, you have a nice hair too. You look like a Pocahontas. All right. Say hi, Pocahontas. The two princess Pocahontas here. The Pocahontas prince. Have fun, guys. We're back there later.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Daddy. They're ready, Daddy. Okay, Daddy down. Oh, the Pocahontas queen gonna come.
Dito yung gulong, Dad.
The Pocahontas queen is coming.
Listen, dito yung gulong upote, Dad.
Pocahontas queen is okay.
Safety,
It's okay pa.
Okay lang to.
Okay, give me money.
But yung safety.
Alright, I want that.
Baby, careful, baka puso.
Alright.
Hold it, baby.
Alright. I'm gonna get the other one. I don't eat this kind. I'm gonna eat the other one, big one. That's the one I'm gonna get.
I got this one. Get the shot.
Wow, Lola is eating. Alright.
You don't go to the front.
Magnet plate first. Ano yung nabibring mo dito?
We're gonna stay here. You guys don't have to go to the front.
Cassie, I send it to your mom. I'm gonna send this to your mom. Alright, bye-bye, Adela. Bye, Adela. Bye, Adela.